Hey everyone, welcome back. So lately, I've been seeing people talk about this Sunday City method that supposedly gives unlimited money and gems. At first, I honestly thought it was probably fake because there are so many videos online making crazy claims like this, and most of them never actually work. But after seeing a bunch of players talking about it, I decided to test it myself and see what would really happen. So in this video, I'm going to show the whole process step by step, and at the end, we'll check if it actually worked or not. So the first thing I needed was my Sunday City player tag. I opened the game, went into my profile section, and the ID was right there and super easy to find. You have to dig through settings, but here it took just a few seconds. Once I saw it, I copied the ID so I could use it for the next step. Pretty simple so far. After that, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but honestly, I don't think it really matters which browser you use. Then I typed in the website everyone's been talking about lately. The page loaded almost instantly, and surprisingly, there weren't a bunch of annoying redirects or random pop-ups everywhere. Everything looked pretty simple and easy to understand. Once the site loaded, I searched for Sunday City in the list and selected it. After that, I chose my device type. I'm on Android, but there was also an option for iOS users too. Then I pasted my player ID into the required field and double-checked everything before moving on. Up to this point, everything was actually smoother than I expected. Next, I had to select how much of the resource I wanted. Since I wanted to properly test this, I went with one of the larger amounts just to see if anything would really happen. After I confirmed it, the site started showing loading bars and different progress animations. I mean, it definitely looked convincing, but visuals alone don't really prove much. Right before finishing, there was also a short verification step, which honestly wasn't anything unusual for sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now it was time to check the actual results. Alright, this was the part I was most curious about. After everything finished, I reopened Sunday City and checked my money and gems to see if anything had actually changed. And somehow, the extra resources were already there instantly. I didn't need to restart the game or wait at all. Everything just appeared right away. Honestly, that surprised me more than I expected. I even played a bit afterward just to see if everything was working normally, and it all seemed fine. So yeah, now you've seen the full test from start to finish, and you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've tried anything similar in Sunday City before, let me know in the comments how it went for you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe because I'll probably be testing more mobile game stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.